Hello friends, this is a short update of my last trade that I was talking about in my last two videos. Plus I will try to throw some ideas about the price action that we are seeing on Nasdaq right now, which is kind of difficult, but nevertheless I will try. So the chart as we stand right now, it's still in a very unclear position with an unclear bias. Yesterday, basically on Friday, we made this upwards move with this kind of strong green candle closing above, slightly above this daily fair value gap. Nevertheless, I will not try to make any prediction for now. Let me show you first of all how the trade ended up, and I will go on the 1 hour chart. Just to remind you a few things, this was the initial setup. Entry up here, final take profit here if it was to get there, but it didn't. Two partials along the way, TP1, TP2, both of them touched. Money in the pocket, as I'm saying. And I was saying on Friday or the previous video that, okay, even if it takes me out, hits my stop loss, which was lowered below entry, obviously, I will close the trade in a very nice profit, around 1.57% applied to my account balance. I made the calculation in my last video, so if you don't know what I'm talking about, you can go ahead and look at it. I will try to put the link on screen in this video. And so far so good. So the trade was successful. It was not perfect, but it was successful. I made a profit, and I will try to point out again the fact that the partials were extremely useful in this kind of environment. As I was saying, and I'm always saying, in this kind of environment, when price is moving sideways with ups and downs, not respecting any bullish or bearish PD arrays, staying too long in a trade, it's not gonna be a very good strategy. Therefore, taking partials when you go into a trade, especially a trade that is going to last for hours or even days, it's a very, very good strategy, and it's gonna keep you in the game for a long time. So after the price took out these lows here, this let's say relative equal lows, it made a turn. It attacked the higher swing point here, this buy side liquidity, and then again it turned around. So for now it's very difficult to predict where we stand right now. Again, I'm moving to the daily chart. As I was saying, the price has barely closed above this daily fair value gap, so it's not a move with conviction. It's just, something. I don't know what, but it's something not to be trusted. In the meantime, we have hit this new week opening gap over here. The price rejected from the midpoint of that gap, and it kind of moved back. So for now, I'm not gonna try to predict anything because it's Monday. I will let the price give me more information, at least for today. Because look, if we are looking at the daily range, this is the last daily range from Friday, okay? We have not touched, oh, sorry. Okay. We have not touched neither the low or the high of the previous day. So we have no reaction. We don't know how we will react there. And most importantly, which one will be hit first. If we are looking at the weekly candle, this is also the high of the week, previous week high. And the previous week low is obviously even lower. So we don't have an interaction on the weekly chart. Again, neither with the low or with the high of the previous week. So we don't have this sort of information to base a bias upon. Therefore, we need to wait a little bit, at least today, as I was saying, maybe a couple of days, today and tomorrow, who knows. Let us see what kind of moves the price will give us, and then we will try to make a more educated prediction. As you can see, and I was saying for the last number of updates, right now we have equal highs above us, equal lows below us. We are sort of in the middle of this consolidation, of this sideways move. So it's very difficult to decide where the price will go. And therefore, if you take trades, make sure the trades are on the lowest time frame possible. Scalping, I think it's what can work best in this kind of environment. But if you are considering taking swing trades, I would suggest you didn't, because again, swing trades are kind of dangerous in this kind of market where the price doesn't have a clear direction and you can be stopped out very easily. Okay, this is for now. If you like this kind of content, please like, subscribe, and share. And I will see you guys in the next one.